This old guy DIY video has to do with changing the oil in a 2003 Polaris 500 high output. So the tools we need are channel locks. I do it old school, open this thing up all the way, grab the old oil filter. Since you don't need to save it, just grab it and then it'll turn counterclockwise. And a new oil filter, I'll put the part number in the description. And then a 14mm socket. So the first thing is come up here, grab the old oil filter, break it loose with the channel lock, turn it off counterclockwise. Then you'll have some oil drippage. Put that oil on your finger. Put some oil on the O-ring on the new filter before you put it on. Screw it on hand tight and go an extra quarter turn and you're done. Then we come down here behind the left wheel and you can see right here is the drain. So you just put your 14mm socket on that drain, turn the thing out, let all the oil, and in my case oil and fuel, because my oil was contaminated, run out. And then you'll put in 2 quarts of replacement, whether it's 0W40 Mobile 1 or you can use the Polaris oil, and you'll be back in action. So when I pulled the old oil filter off, the number is 3084963. And that's what it looks like where the oil filter attaches. So now I'll take a little bit of waste oil, just from right here, wipe it on my finger, wipe it on the O-ring on the new filter, and install the new filter. So now the filter is on, so it's just snug, and I'll go another quarter turn. Actually, I didn't have it that snug, I'll go half a turn. There, we're about half a turn. It's nice and tight, ready to go. Now I'll pull the plug down here and let my gas and oil combination run into the catch pan. So I kind of push in on the thing till you can feel that it's off the threads and just pull it away and all the happiness will run out. And that's what oil with a gasoline chaser looks like. And this little oil plug has a magnet on the end, so when you change your oil, check the magnet, see if you find any metal shavings. Gladly, I don't have any to speak of. And that's just an indication of how your engine's running. The last few drops are dripping out of this thing. Based on how juicy and viscous that is, I suspect that's gasoline. So at this point I replaced the plug, just snugged it up against that nylock washer, and then we just put a funnel in. Let's see if we can see where the angle is. Anyway, here's where you fill the oil. So I'll put a funnel in there, put 2 quarts of synthetic 0W40, and we'll be back in action. Have a nice day.